We're making keto pumpkin pie in a mug in 90 seconds. Let's go. This is episode 3 of Mug Monday, and we are doing a pumpkin pie. And this could be ready in 5 minutes. You just whip everything up. And you'll see by the ingredients, we have not compromised on flavors and taste. Here's one I made earlier, but I thought we'd just get a taste test out of the way so you can see. It is very soft. Oh, I just want to carry on eating this whole thing. Just quickly, the nutritional information and your ingredients list is listed in the description box, and let's get into the recipe now. First, let's make the pie crust. To a large mug, add 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of powdered sweetener, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter or oil. Mix that together to combine and then flatten into the base of the mug. And this is how it looks. And now for the pumpkin filling. To a separate bowl, add 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 1/4 cup of sugar-free condensed milk, and if you want my recipe for that, there should be a link appearing in the top right corner of your screen now. Next is 1 tablespoon of cream, just to thin the filling out a little. Let's add the flavors. I added 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and you can also use cinnamon powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of powdered sweetener. Whoops, just need to clear the deck here and almost forgot, do add 1 egg white. You can either blend it together in a blender, but whisking it together will also work. Add all of the filling on top of the crust in your mug and smooth it off. Then microwave for 90 seconds if you have a 700 watt microwave, or 75 seconds if you have a 1000 watt microwave, and voila! I wanted to empty it out onto a plate so you can get an idea of the size and depth. And that worked fine, except the crust decided to chill with the mug, so I added it on top of the filling. It is upside down, so I flipped it again, and now you can see it is a full slice of pie. For a dairy-free option, I use cacao almond butter, but for me the usual would be whipped cream. And cue the visual so my brain can say, ah. Well, I can't show you the pumpkin pie anymore because I've dusted it. I actually found it really easy to make, and I hope you get to try this one. It's pretty special. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.